Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to order any outfit from Pinterest, then this video is for you. Actually, there is no direct way that you can use to order anything from Pinterest because Pinterest is not an e-commerce site. So you can actually order or get or purchase anything from Pinterest from here. So but there is a workaround. For example, if you're on Pinterest and search for the product that you want to buy, like I want to buy some t-shirt or the drop shoulder t-shirt here, so here it is. Now if you want to buy some or order some the drop shoulder t-shirt for you, then you can see there's different types of multiple choices and photos from here. So if you want to order any of them, so here is one t-shirt, so you have to choose one. Now here, if you hover over on that image, you can find a visit site button here. You can simply click on visit site button, or if you click on that photo here, you can also find a visit site button from here. Now this is section, so it was available in Shein.com, but unfortunately this is not available right now. So you can do is you can go with any other on, so if there is no site embedded with that, so you can go with, so let's see if it's available or not. So here it is. So you can see it has just lead us to the Instagram, where it is t-shirt company that are selling the t-shirt, the drop shoulder t-shirt. So you can simply order them from here. So just like this, you can get the sources of the t-shirts from the Pinterest by simply click on this visit site button here. So here is, you can see the Shein website from where you can purchase it easily by your size and some. Now here is the pricing. So that's how you can simply buy a t-shirt or some product if you want, so from Pinterest but indirectly. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.